Is your Cadillac ATS, CTS, or XTS key fob not working like it used to? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. These models from 2013-2019 use a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Averages show that the battery should be replaced every 12 to 18 months to prevent lockouts from happening. This process takes only 5 to 10 minutes and requires minimal tools. There are also aftermarket options to choose from, like rechargeable CR2032 alternatives that can extend the life of your key fob battery. Make sure to dispose of used lithium batteries properly, as they are considered hazardous waste. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the notch on the edge of the fob and gently pry it open. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob back together and test the buttons. If it doesn't work, check for corrosion and clean the contacts. Expert mechanics warn that improper reassembly can lead to water damage, so ensure it's sealed properly. DIY replacement costs $5 to $10 for the battery versus $50–100 at a dealership.